Hello, I'm Mr. M from Gist4Dev. In this video, I will talk about Earth Engine plugin for QGIS. Before I start, don't forget subscribe to my channel to get a new information about GIS. This is a pre-release version. Once you install that plugin in QGIS, you can access dataset from Earth Engine by write Earth Engine script in QGIS Python editor and execute it. Let me show you. This example, I will show you OpenStreetMap from OpenLayer plugin. Then I will access Landsat 8 and Sentinel-2 datasets from Earth Engine. Before I tell you how to install pre-release version, I will talk about QGIS Earth Engine plugin. This is QGIS Earth Engine plugin official website. I'm creating this video on December 1, 2019. At this time, current version is 0.0.1 and is not released yet. This page gives example about how to use this plugin. If you would like to install pre-release version, you can download file below this video and following this video step by step. Firstly, you need to install site packages. Go to Python 3 in QGIS folder. In my case, it's located in C drive, Program Files, QGIS 3.10, Apps, Python 3.7, lib, site packages, and open my file that I gave you below this video. Site packages folder. Copy all items in this folder. Paste on the left side. Click Continue for allow permission to copy to this folder. Secondly, install Earth Engine plugin. In QGIS, click on Setting menu, User Profile and click on Open Active Profile folder. Close QGIS. Click on Python. If in your computer doesn't have plugins folder, just create folder and give name plugins. Click on Plugins. Copy EE_plugin folder that I have already gave you. Right click and paste into plugin folder. Lastly, enable plugin and authentication to Earth Engine. Open QGIS again and click on Plugin. Manage and install plugins. Click on Installed. This is a new plugin, Google Earth Engine. Checkbox to enable this plugin. It will launch website to authentication with Google Earth Engine Python Authenticator. Log in by your Earth Engine account. This page asks you to allow permission in two things. 1. Google Earth Engine and 2. Google Cloud Storage. Click on Allow button. It will give token. Copy this token. Go back to QGIS. Paste token to fill in this text field. Then click OK. close this window. Now you can use this plugin. Click on Python. Click on this button. Import module or class from Earth Engine plugin. Type from EE plugin, import map, and click execute. If you don't see any error, it means this plugin works. So anyway, this is just pre-release version. It might have some bug. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment box. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye สวัสดีครับ